Well, hello everybody. How we doing? Look at these beautiful babies. Oh, they are so good, you guys. Oh, they were so good in the sun today. I'm so happy. Okay, I got a bunch of nail mail today, so I thought I would share what I got. Alright, first one is Sugar High. I just love this set. I just love it. That's all. And Aubergine, which is like, if I'm gonna wear, I don't know what eggplant? This eggplant? I don't know, but it's beautiful. And these are from the D-Stash group, you guys. Here we go. Beautiful baby. Kiss and Toil. These three were in a bundle. I want to say they were $8 or $9 each. So, great deal. I'll link the D-Stash bundle, and it's the D-Stash bundle. The D-Stash group is retail or less, so people can't mark things over retail, which is the way it should be. Okay, and then this is a Color Flash, and I got this out of my Coco group because she does Color Flash also. I love these. These will be coming over Valentine's Day. And this one, look how cute that is. It's got that kind of baby boomer fade, but it's all little teeny hearts. So cute. And then, the best. Ooh. Ooh. Let me open it. I love these kind, you guys. The writing ones. They're my favorite. And this one's got a very soft pink background. In Coco, I can feel they're still good and fresh with reddish writing. And then, oh my gosh, look at that. And it's like a lovely creamy color with the writing on them. I love the sets with the writing on them, and Color Street doesn't do them a ton, but Coco has done them a few times, so I was glad to find those. So there we go. Hope everybody is doing fantastic. I am working on uploading the pre-recorded videos that I did for you guys, so those will just pop up automatically every few days. And I try to set them for early in the morning, like 6 in the morning, just because there's a lot of people that watch them at that time of day. And then I will do a check-in every few days on these. And then I'm going to do a top 10. It might need to be 20, you guys. 10 is not very many. A top 10 of my favorite, like, must-haves and tools that I'm using these days. And I do feel like, for the most part, my tools have stayed the same for quite a while now. Like, I've found what I loved, and I use it all the time, so. But I still think that'll be a good video, especially for newer people, to be able to find what they love. So, hope everybody's doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye.